Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'm going to show you how to make the best butter beans ever. Let's get started. You'll need some dried baby lima beans. These are butter beans to me, and get out of my way. Pour them onto some kind of a tray or something and sort through them to remove any bits of twigs or small stones. Get them into a large pot and cover with water by a couple of inches. Cover them up and let them soak overnight. Drain them when they're done. Dice up 1 medium onion and slice or mince up 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Canola oil into a saute pan. Add in your onion. Season with salt and pepper, and optionally some Cajun or Creole seasoning. Stir it all up until it goes nice and soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add in your garlic and stir it up for about 1 more minute. Get your beans and your onions and garlic into a large slow cooker. Toss in a couple of bay leaves. I'm using smoked duck in this, so let's head out to the dock and get that all sorted. The very first recipe I put on YouTube was butter beans. That was about 1.5 years ago. Now I have a new and improved version with some smoked duck. I'll show you what that's all about right now. Yeah, we're going to be smoking some ducks this afternoon. We've got our chimney starter going now. These are my ducks. I've trimmed the neck fat off. We're going to use these paper towels to pat them dry best we can, and then we're going to take the skewer. You got to poke 1,000,000 holes in the skin. They got a lot of fat in them. That fat's got to go somewhere, so we're going to poke them all over with the skewers, then we're going to get them in the smoker. We got some lump charcoal for the smoker, then we're going to put this pecan wood on top. We've got our ducks in the smoker. The pecan wood's going to go low and slow for about 4 hours, breast side down. We're going to try to capture as much of that fat as we can. We're about 2 hours in. We're looking good. This is the finished product. They temped out right. I can't wait. Get yourself a smoked duck. I realize that's easier said than done. You could use a roasted chicken, smoked turkey wings from the grocery store, or just good old bacon. Pull all the meat you can from this. Now I have this carcass left over, so I'm going to make some smoked duck stock. Get some celery, onions, and carrots into a large stock pot with the duck bones. I also have the necks here too. Cover everything up with water, and I'm going to try to hold this at about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 82 degrees Celsius, for at least a few hours, maybe overnight. Strain this through some cheesecloth into a big bowl. Pour the smoked duck stock into your beans to cover. You could substitute carton chicken stock, lowest sodium possible. Cover this up and cook with confidence on low for about 6 hours. After that time, fold in your reserved duck meat and stir until just heated through. It's time to eat. Ladle this over some cooked rice and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Have a look at how far I've come since my first butter bean recipe. Click on this video right here and I'll see you there.